Okay, we have the new release iOS 26.3, the RC, the official version. So let's try to kick this iOS or iPad OS 26.3. Yes, we try to kick this new iOS. So as you can see, we have the test unit here, the iPad 9 generation. So, and then under the 3U tools, the info is already 26.3. So this iPad I upgraded already. As you can see on the 3U tools, the 26.3 RC is installed. Downloaded already. And then I flashed this iPad to 26.3 official, the RC version. Okay. So first, every video I make, this before you proceed, we need to restore or erase data first, the iPhone or the iPad. For example, you have running iOS 15, 16, 17, 18, up to 26. Before you proceed to the MDM bypass, you need to erase all data first if you don't like to use the latest iOS. For example, your iPhone or iPad is running 18. You don't like to run the iOS 26. So you need to go to tools and then try to locate the erase all data. Yes, erase all data. So here, you need to erase all data first. Okay? If you want to use the new iOS or iPad OS 26.3, the RC version, you need to go to Smart Flash and then download the firmware first. And then just uh, don't forget to check this quick flash mode and then flash. That's it. You need to wait until the flashing is complete. Okay? But now I have already the 26.3. So all I have to do is go to toolbox and then erase all data. Why? To prevent error. Okay? To prevent error. Because sometimes we can get some unexpected error. Blah, blah, blah. Okay? And then, for the restoring process for the file, if you receive like missing info please error, you need to get the version 3. This one. Version 3.29. You can get this one on this page. You can go to 3u.com and then try to download. As you can see, the latest version is 9. So you go to download the version 3 below this one. So you can get the 3.30 to prevent the error missing info please. Okay? And then now let's proceed to toolbox and erase all data for this iPad first. I repeat, I have already 26.3. This tutorial is not only for the iPad. So you can use this tutorial supported iPhone and iPads. As long you're running 15, 16, 17, 18 up to 26. So this video is fit for you. Okay? You can use this tutorial. And then this one is for Windows platform. We have also the latest video for the Mac OS user. 26.3 RC official version. So we have also, you can check the Rod Bautista TV. You can check the list there under my video. You can find the solution for the Mac user. So okay, nothing missing. So you need to download the Trio tool first, because the Trio tools is the one we use for this tutorial. You go to trio.com and then download the version 3, not the version 9. Okay? And then you need to download also this Rod Bautista MDM untethered bypass. So this one is 2025 but is still working 2026. Okay? So later I will show you how to use this Rod Bautista MDM untethered bypass. By the way, untethered meaning no need to redo the process. For example, you off the iPhone or the iPad accidentally, and then when you on it, and then directly to home screen. No need to redo the process again and again. Okay? That's the meaning of the untethered. So unlimited on and off. No need to worry. No need to redo again and again the process. Okay, let's go to the main topic here. Let's proceed. Go to erase all data and check this one. And then erase all data. Erase all data. That's it. And wait until the erase all data done. Okay, I have to introduce again the trusted software for all of you. If you lazy to follow the step by step, or the if you lazy to follow this kind of tutorial, if you lazy to follow step 1, step 2, step 3, I want to introduce to you PassPub. Okay? PassPub is very easy to use. This one is trusted also. I have video how to use this tool. Very easy, effortless. If you lazy to follow step by step for the free one. This one, the success rate is 99.9. Yes, because this one is paid. We paid for the success rate, of course. PassPub. So you can get the pre-install here, free download I mean. And then they have a lot of things here. You can explore PassPub. Not only MDM for iPhone or iPad or Apple product, they have also for Androids. They have also PassPub, Android Unlock. Especially we have the PassPub for iPhone Unlock, because I have because this channel is for focus for the MDM only. Okay? And then don't forget to get the 20% coupon code. Just copy this one. Okay? You can get the 20% off. This one is trusted. Let me show you. I have video for this. Okay. I have tutorial for this tool. Let me find it first for all of you, because the iPad is still running, is still erasing data. So this one.
Click on iOS upgrade here, then choose upgrade.
This one is
Re-boot
the tutorial for
will
the PassPub or iPad OS 26. So you can follow this tutorial. This video is different. PassPub. Very easy to use, effortless. If you lazy to follow the free instruction step by step. So this tool is for you. This one I tried already and tested. Okay? So let me show you the interface for the PassPub. I think the erase all data is finished already. Oh yes, finished. Wait, the PassPub. Let me show you first. So of course, we focus to the bypass MDM. You must go here. Very easy to use. And then the you see the PassPub interface very organized. They have a lot of things here you can explore. Okay, okay, okay. Back to topic. Let's close the PassPub. PassPub, thank you. Great job. Okay, erase all data done. Now, let's proceed. After erase data, no need to do anything. Just leave the iPhone or iPad, something like that. Okay? Once again, 26.3, 23D125, RC, the new iOS, uh, February 12, 2026. Okay? Now, proceed. As you can see, activated, no. This portion or this part is very, very important. Don't skip this part. We need to activate the iPad first. Okay? Just hit activate and then uncheck this one and then start. That's it. Just hit OK. As you can see, activated, yes. Okay? And then now, we proceed to this tool. Rode Bautis MDM Untethered. After you download, this one is RAR file. You need to extract it first. You can put this folder, any folder you like, any drive you like. Okay? For me, I just put on my desktop. So now, open this folder and then try to locate the Rode Bautis TV MDM bypass. Just double click this one. No need to run administrator. Just hit double click. Double click. That's it. As you can see, the iPad is rebooting. Okay? By the way, if you think this video help you a lot, help this channel also to grow. Subscribe, share this video to all your friends if they have the MDM problem. Support this channel, guys, to grow, to grow more. Okay? Because I checked to my analytic, I have viewer, I think around 80 plus going to 90 is still not subscriber. If you think this video help you a lot, subscribe and support this channel, guys. Okay? Now, let's continue. Let's go back to Trio Tools and check the info. Now, After run the Rod Bautista TV MDM bypass, inside the folder you can see this one. This one is backup. Okay? This one is backup. And then this backup is modified already. Now, go to backup and restore. This one. Locate this backup and restore. Just click this one and then view all data backups. Okay? Because I have already here. The name for this backup is iPhone 4. If you don't have yet or you not add yet, just go here, add backup, and then locate this backup under desktop, and then Rode Bautista MDM, and then this one, the backup. Just hit OK. Okay? I hope is that explanation is very clear to all of us or to all of you. Okay? So now, after the backup is here, just hit restore all data. And then, next. That's why I want you to use the version 3 because this part in the version on the version 9 you can get the error missing info please. But under version 3.29 or version 3.30, no need to worry. Now, start recovery. Just wait until the iPad go to setup menu. So no need this one, just close. Then you can see the full image for the iPad. You need to restore, you need to wait until the restore apps is done. So recovery data complete. I think we can check the magic if happen to this iPad. If the MDM bypass or not. Okay? Let's see the magic, guys. I'm excited to try also if still can kick Rode Bautista MDM untethered bypass file. This one is 100% free. But if you lazy to follow this instruction, you can go to PassPav. iPhone Unlock. That tool is 100% accurate but paid. You need to pay. If you lazy to follow the step by step something like this. But this video is totally 100% free. No money involved. Just buy me beer. I put my PayPal account on the description below if you want to buy me beer. And support this channel to grow more. Okay? I'm talking too much already. Waiting for the result. Come on, buddy. Alright. The apple and the hello I saw already. Now, let's go and focus to this iPad. Let's see the magic if happen. So, continue. 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 If you see the data and privacy 100%, we are in. The MDM lock for this iPad is already bypassed. Yes, guys. I always say this to all my video. If you go to if in this part you can see the data and privacy we are in. The MDM is bypassed already. Let's try. Continue. Setup. Don't use. We are lucky. The file for the MDM bypass is still working. Yes, guys. No need to worry about this iOS or iPad OS 26.3 RC version. Official. We can bypass or we can kick. See? And then after bypass, you can connect your Wi-Fi. You can you can sign in your Apple ID. You can use the how you call this, the all the application you like, and then the FaceTime also working. And then if your iPhone or iPad have the eSIM or physical SIM, you have the data SIM card, so no need to worry. They all working. No restriction. The restriction also only is don't ever reset or erase all data your iPhone or iPad because the MDM came back. Okay? So let me show you, this one is untethered. Up before anything else, I want to show you the version first. As you can see, we have the 26.3. 26.3 clean. Okay? Under 3U tools. So, same info. Same serial. Same everything. So, we have the untethered also. Let me show you, this one is untethered. Let me off and on. Untethered meaning we can on and off the iPhone or iPad unlimited. No need to redo again and again the process. Okay, let me on again. See, untethered. So no need to redo again and again the process. Very easy. But if you want effortless, you need to use the PassPub. The easy way if you lazy to follow this kind of tutorial. Okay? So that's it for this video. See you on 26.3.1 or 26.4. See you next one. Bye.